just completed this inspection, completed the road test, as I never prep anything for any videos. This Ferrari performs in a very good manner. However, I had a list of issues which you would more likely expect for 15 years. All shock absorbers need replacement. There's some fault codes with traction control system. It had previous bodywork repairs. Consider it satisfactory. It's not structural. It ran out of fuel, so I needed to clear. It's got AVH system issue as well. So yeah, if you don't check, this is what you're gonna get. You get £10,000 of repair costs, buying for 63,000, paying 10 grand for repairs. There's also rattle, which sounds like from the gearbox. Something is not right with the gearbox, or something part of the clutch. Something's not right. So as you can hear it now, probably. So a risky, but I personally wouldn't buy it, you know. So take care, see you next time.